Hi friend, good morning. Today you are in AAK 100 engineering in Abuja Olaji Monkey Plaza. Today we want to show you that how you want to put your AC charging point. My brother, if you look this computer, this is a charger. The computer was not charging, so today I want to show you that how you want to repair your HP G6 charging IC. If you look at this is a charging IC area. If you look at the charging IC area, here have a 1 2 3 4 5 points. I was remove the charging IC. The charging IC. The reason why the computer cannot charge it, I was check the charging IC. The charging IC was not square. So why not HP G6 is not charging? I suspecting that this charging IC is working, but the reason why water was scattered one of the between 1 2 3 4 5. You turn your charging IC. If you turn your charging IC 1 2 3 4, so this number 5 is not connected because of water scattered place. That is computer is not functional. And then if you will use your external battery, when you charge your battery to another system G60, if you put the battery to here, the battery is on the system. But the reason why, if you use your charger, the battery is not on because of this charging IC problem. Today I want to show you that how you want to troubleshooting charging IC area. My brother, don't forget we are an AAK 100 engineering. If you want more and more information how we want to repair your system, subscribe my channel at YouTube, writing on your computer, and then subscribe. You have many troubleshooting of system hardware and software. Today I want to show you that how you want to fix your motherboard HP G6. Let's continue today. My brother, if you look at this is a HP, but sometime if I return the IC chips, if it's not working, I will try to go find motherboard recent. This is a HP 630. My brother, if you look at the board was showing like the same motherboard. Another 620. This is a 620, 630, 620. This they have a different, but they are using the same IC. If you want to replacement IC chips, BIOS chips, and cooling fan, power switch, cliff, you can use HP 625 and the HP 6. If you look at my brother, if you look at very well, This all three motherboards he have a different, but the reason why the charging IC is the same. I want to educate it to you. I want to educate to you. If you look at this is a charging IC 630. If you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if you use HP 620, if you count this charging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why not? I was showing that because of if you are HP 630 or your HP G6 is not working or is not charging, so you can use each one or the other. For this time, this is a G6, HP G6 is not charging. So if you want to replacement the IC chips, you can use the HP 625 IC chips, or you can use your 630. Why not? I was saying that you will use each one with others. So all of them, they have the same charging point. They are the same point of charging point. For this one now, if you look at why not, I was saying that this computer is not charging. It's not charging. But the reason why, use your multimeter. Before you using your meter, you will check your charger. Check your charger. If the charger is working normally, you can fix it. You can check your charger to your multimeter. Check your charger